You're watching EDS TV.
Yo, yo, you just hit my car? You just hit my car?
No, I tapped it. Just to say, don't stop right there. You stop right in the sidewalk. This is a tap.
Bro, don't do that to my car, bro. What's wrong with you, bro?
It's a way of talking to you. Don't stop in the middle of the sidewalk. Hi.
Yo, this ain't real, is it?
What's that?
Is this
You
real?
have a
Is
gun?
this
Are
really?
you gonna take out a gun and shoot me now?
Is this really happening?
Yeah, I'm talking to you like an adult. One adult talk. Oh, that's new to you. Okay. So agree.
All right, bro.
Legend has it he's still at the red light trying to put everything together. The defeated, alright bro, was the cherry on top.
I think it was Charleston. It's picturesque. Like, it was just ridiculous.
That was incredibly close. That dunce probably never realized the camera's reaction saved them from a serious injury. The crazy part is there was no one behind the camera. The camera called the police and sent in the footage in case there was any foul play with any false claims. The officer gladly took the footage.
Oh my God.
Unfortunately, this was a mechanic who took the camera's car out for a joyride after it was in for service. I'd bring the dashcam footage into the shop and never ever go back. I'll never understand why some people back up so far when exiting a spot. This person hadn't even started turning their wheel yet. Intentionally stopping on the highway should be an automatic suspension of your license with a massive fine. With the rise in popularity of dashcams at the same time as the increase in dangerous driving, the US courts need to use these videos as evidence to take away licenses. This guy pits himself on the big rig and right into the gap. I hate the way people drive, but bus drivers driving like this is particularly unnerving. The camera said he will be sending in the footage to the local school district. It looks like the silver car got tired of waiting, made a risky turn, and paid for it. The work van and the dark SUV also went out of the turn. They both have stop signs while cross traffic has a caution light. Thanks to the camera's alert driving, he was able to avoid the truck driver that fell onto the road. That's an actual nightmare. Crisis definitely averted. The camera was reversing in, and this driver stole the spot. The camera in Good Samaritan called him out on it. It amazes me that people are willing to leave their car unattended where someone who they just pissed off knows exactly where it is.
You clean all day.
And it's messy, like everything is
My house isn't messy, so it wouldn't be that.
Ridiculous. Why do you keep saying that?
because
It goes on to the internet. People think I'm a poo man.
But it's in the toilet, you're saying? It's not on the wall.
Yeah. No,
it's on the wall.
Oh,
it's
wow.
not on the walls.
I thought the truck was an unmarked cop coming up to bust the Civic. I was wrong. What a mess. The red light runner hit the unattentive driver. It looks like the holidays has people's mindset somewhere else. The whole thing is just chaotic. The guy in front changed lanes without a blinker. Not crazy, but still. The guy crossing without looking, and the guy turning right not giving a hoot about what just happened.
Don't, not right now. Finish the song, please. Please, thank you.
The person talking was actually the camera's girl talking, and yes, she was drinking. With that said, the driver who caused the accident was drunk as well. The camera barely had any horn at all. Those are rookie numbers. You gotta get those honking lengths up. A white Ford Ranger zoomed out of a driveway fast without looking, straight into the side of an MG that was traveling along the road. Thankfully, the MG driver reacted and tried to change lanes, which helped minimize the damage.
I've got a free parking pass for you.
Oh,
You can park in the garage here for free.
That semi just pushed somebody off the road.
The semi-truck driver ran the car off the road. It's crazy people would rather drive into an embankment than gently press on their brakes. Everyone is apparently okay. The car was on the wrong side of the road, was occupied by an elderly couple. No news yet as to what caused them to cross the center line.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.